Hello, welcome back to Light Recipes. Today we are going to make Ponnanganni Keerai Masiyal. So one bunch of Ponnanganni Keerai, remove the leaves, wash it nicely, chop few small onions, chili powder, mustard seeds, jeera. So in a pressure cooker, I have taken 3 spoons of tuvar dal. Add 400 ml of water. Pressure cook it. In a kadai, pour 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil. Add chopped onions. Saute it nicely. Add Ponnanganni Keerai leaves. Sort it well nicely till the greens shrink into a half capacity. Don't overcook the greens, otherwise the color would change. This is a very tasty recipe. You can send it for lunch also. Now add half a tablespoon of chili powder. Just add chili powder, no need of sambar powder. Just saute 1 or 2 times. Then add dal water alone. Just see whether the greens have immersed. So in this stage, close it with a lid for 5 to 10 minutes till the greens get cooked. See, now the greens is cooked. Now add the dal. Mix it nicely. If you want, add little water alone according to your consistency. It should be in a thick form only. Just little water add. Allow it to boil for 1 time. It's enough. Then season it with mustard seed and jeera. Add little asafoetida. You can mix it with rice and send it for office, lunch and school also. Now add the seasoning to Ponnanganni Keerai Masiyal. Please try the recipe, comment, subscribe and like it. It's a very healthy recipe. Add salt to it. Ponnanganni Keerai Masiyal is ready.